Does improving your indoor air quality, protecting occupants, and improving energy efficiency at your facility sound like a good move? For over 20 years, Duct Dynasty has helped people like you optimize indoor air quality using proven duct cleaning methods and air purification services. Our experienced team upholds the highest standards, and when you worked with Duct Dynasty, we guarantee National Air Duct Cleaning Association standards will be followed. A dedicated project manager will also be assigned to your project, and fully uniformed technicians who will arrive on time and adhere to all safety protocols. Upon completion, we'll provide you with a full pictorial report, including before and after photos, and a summary of work performed for your records. We'll also make recommendations on future cleaning intervals, note any inefficiencies, and provide you with an industry-specific plan to keep your HVAC system cleaner. After we've thoroughly cleaned your air ducts, we recommend installing our needlepoint bipolar ionization system. Once installed, it not only sanitizes your indoor air, but it also reduces particulate and harmful allergens, all while working to protect you 24/7, 365. Once NPBI is installed, we provide a certificate of air sanitization safety for display. Take the first step to better indoor air quality, improved energy efficiency, and a safer indoor air environment by calling Duct Dynasty for a 24-point HVAC assessment today.